Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I want to jump into one of the asset classes on Robinhood that I've not mentioned in quite some time. Something that is often overlooked, and that is Robinhood Cryptocurrency. Currently, Robinhood has a number of different cryptocurrencies that you can trade. Let's go ahead and scroll down to my cryptocurrency holdings. The reason I bring this up, there's been a few viewers on the channel wondering if I have opted to buy any cryptocurrency on the Robinhood platform, and indeed I have, as you can see here up on screen in the middle. Cryptocurrencies, Litecoin 50. Let's go ahead and click on Litecoin here to see exactly my portfolio. So I have invested in Litecoin. Let's go to details. I do not like the format Robinhood has for cryptocurrency. I wish it was more like the stock interface, but nevertheless, here you can see up on screen, up on top, quantity 50, current value 11,204, representing 1.66% of the overall portfolio. And you can see my average cost 48.18. The total return, as you can see in the middle, one of the best, again, performing assets in the portfolio, up 365%, 8,800, or just under 8,800. And on the bottom here, you can see market buys. These were each 10 coins. So essentially bought coins at $34, $47, $45, $55. I was doing some day and swing trading with cryptocurrency, but for tax purposes, decided to simply buy and hold at this point. Again, here is a little bit of the overview for some of the cryptocurrencies that I have bought in the portfolio. But again, one of the better performing assets in the portfolio, Litecoin. If we take a look at its graph here, you can see some exceptional performance over the last few weeks to few months. 1 month, it is up 72.73%. 3 months, it is up 168.9%. 1 year, 204%. And over the past 5 years, you can see a phenomenal 6,347. And if you guys have been on the channel for quite some time, you know that I have a few Litecoin miners. I currently have them in my basement. They're running essentially 24 hours a day. I kind of forgot about them until this big spike up in the price of Litecoin. So I'm still generating Litecoin. I think I make a few $100s per month on that. I'll have to do the calculations. But something I have been doing in the past, and I actually got into Litecoin back here, actually before this, back in 2015 or so, when the coins were essentially trading under $5. So I have a holding on an offline wallet on one of my PCs at home here, and then also on Robinhood. And the other thing I want to talk about with the cryptocurrency trading is that Robinhood is now going to support the ability to withdraw as well as deposit cryptocurrencies in the portfolio. Currently, Robinhood does not have that feature, but it's currently working on adding that. So if you have coins that you've mined or bought other places, other exchanges, you can put those into Robinhood. Or if you buy coins on Robinhood, you can essentially take those and put those in your own cold storage. So they're not held on the Robinhood platform, which I think is very cool. And hopefully, moving forward, Robinhood continues to add the cryptocurrencies on the platform. If we go to search, we can kind of take a look at all the cryptocurrencies. You can see here popular lists. If we go to crypto, you can see all the coins currently that are offered on the platform, including Litecoin up on top there, Dogecoin, DOGE, Ethereum Classic, and obviously Bitcoin on the bottom. Bitcoin has had some exceptional performance as well, as you can see here, up over $56,000. At one point, I think it was getting up over, or at least close to $60,000. And again, if you take a look at the longer term perspectives with Bitcoin, phenomenal performance. I don't think there's a better asset at this point over the last 10 years to invest in. And you can see here, 5 years up 12,800%. It's very difficult to have anything close to that in any other asset class. Real estate, stocks. The cryptocurrency definitely is up. Is this a bubble? Potentially, but there's been a lot of adoption by industry. I think banking, JP Morgan Chase & Company, if I remember correctly. I think eBay has been buying a lot of coins, or at least PayPal. I think they are separate companies at this point. PayPal has been buying a lot of the newly mined Bitcoin. So very interesting to see what happens with Bitcoin, Litecoin, the other cryptocurrencies. But again, just wanted to quickly touch on what I've been doing in the portfolio. Again, in Robinhood here, I have 50 coins. I do have quite a few more coins off storage that I've mined in the past and bought back in 2015 or so, when this was only $3 or $4 per coin. So very pleased. I may start offloading some of this, but we have to take into consideration tax consequences. If I do sell these off, you have to pay capital gains taxes on anything that you do sell off. And I'm not quite sure how I'm going to document when I had possession of these coins for long-term capital gains versus short-term capital gains, which can be up to a 20% difference in the amount of money you have to pay in taxes. So not inconsequential considerations to take into consideration when selling off these coins. But currently I'm holding 50 Litecoin in the portfolio and one of the better performing assets on the Robinhood portfolio to date. So if you guys are investing in cryptocurrencies, what are you guys doing? Have you guys done any mining? If I can find the graphic, I'll put up on screen the miners that I have. L3 plus ant miners. I got these back a few years ago, probably 4 or 5 years ago. Again, they've been in my basement mining essentially 24 hours a day. Those have been going into a wallet that I have on my computer, essentially cold storage that's offline from any exchange. Also did a little bit of trading with Coinbase at some point in the past. Haven't really been doing that, simply collecting coins and kind of watching the prices bounce around, and of recent really trending up here quite nicely. So again, let me know if you guys are doing any cryptocurrency. If you guys are you buying and essentially holding for the longer term? Are you doing any swing trading, day trading? What exactly are you doing with your cryptocurrencies? And do you have those in Robinhood? And what do you guys think about the new option that Robinhood may potentially add here? They at least announced it here in February that they will be adding the ability to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies. But is anybody going to take advantage of it? There's other exchanges out there. I think the big advantage Robinhood would have is if there is no commission trading from cryptocurrency to fiat currency and vice versa. If that is true, I think this will become a very popular platform. Other platforms like Webull may be adding this as well. I'm not quite sure, but if this is added, this is something I'm definitely going to take advantage with regards to no commission trading from cryptocurrency to fiat currency dollars and vice versa. But again, let me know what you guys are doing with cryptocurrency. I just wanted to put a quick video out discussing the portfolio, cryptocurrency, as well as the phenomenal return so far that I've had with Litecoin. Again, up over 360%, almost 365%. Put a couple $1,000s into the portfolio and currently up over 11,200 in the portfolio. So with that, I'll end the video here. Again, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, we'll see you then.